You don't own me. I'm not just one of your many toys. You don't own me. Don't say I can't go with others.
Okay, I'm sorry, not sorry. Here's my story. To God be the girl, but somehow I get holy. Okay, the world trying to elegant on me. God is my maker, that's why I'm living the way that I'm living. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry, no sorry.
Story, wait, none of you can control me. Shut the city crazy, damn me stacky, doi. As you grab a lawyer, 057, Iki, Wooly, Yaki. Once upon a time, all you niggas now without me.
I know I'm not Jesus, but I'm tired of guts, it's just right on my chest. I hold the spirit of gushes from breath. I do my best to be righteous to death. Yesterday was a test, I had a pass. Try not to tell by my lust to refresh. This was more serious than a heart attack.
I feel like Bruce Willis since this life is like a series. Back and forth, it's twisting Shrimsy. This color level, custom Grammy. Take a vacate hotel in Sydney. In the water like dolphin. You niggas can't swim, you drowning. Or some belief, don't mess with it, toasties. 2023, this is my year. I gotta eat, then I digest. I get that D for the cotton case. I get that bag for the palm brace.
I cannot settle for nothing less. But I keep on just trying best. Wanna be hated, be mine. Yes, my boss a far fresh 252,300 kilometers from one stand.
You don't own me. I'm not just one of your many toys.
24 make Angela.
You don't own me. Don't say I can't go with others.
Big body blue like it's bubbly. Niggas be clones or wannabes. We made an industry deep in the trenches, and I was the fuck of these companies. I was still flowing with my music, heading sopranos. Till my amigos on the streets, and made up my primos. Yeah, we go to war on the internet. Niggas still wrong, is you kidding me? All of my rocks on the keeping lit. I'm a rock star till infinity. I was a chapo in my hood, on the way finals. Niggas gon' drown though in this rave, tryna get high notes.
Ha ha ha!